Okay, so here I am. Windy day, Sunday morning. Got here late, 10 o'clock or so. Sitting here listening to some Rolling Stones. Of course, you know I got a fish in my hand, right? Holy crap, look at the size of that. Definitely the biggest one in a month. Gotta be 4.5 pounds. He's big. He's got a big old mouth on him. That is a hell of a fish. Man, did he hit so weird. So weird. He's barely hooked. You can see he's just lucky to get him in, but he hit in probably 3.5 feet of water right over straight across. I'm just casting. It was going to be my last cast of the day before I go in. I'm heading over there to lawn shrimp to get out of here, but what a fish. Let me put it down a second. Oh man, that mouth wasn't hooked very good. Lucky to bring him in. Woo! Buddy, thank you. Thank you for the fight.